Good morning student. Today we will learn solution of a linear equation in two variables. A linear equation in two variables involves variable x and y. By solution of a linear equation we mean a pair of values, one for x and another for y, which satisfy the given equation. Suppose I draw a line in a coordinate plane. Suppose these are x, y, x dash, y dash. Suppose this is a coordinate plane and if I draw a line, in this if I draw a line, then each point on this line is a solution of a given equation. Each point on a line is a solution of a given equation. Or you can say that every point on a line satisfies the equation. Now on a line, since there are infinite number of points, therefore all these points satisfies the equation. So we can say that a linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. Thus we can say that a linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. I think all are clear. And in previous class we learned about a linear equation in one variable has a unique solution. Okay. Now I will explain this point. A linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions by taking one example. Find, if I not infinite, I will find out 4 solutions only, but you can find out many solutions for the given equation. Find, next example is find 4 different solutions of the equation x plus 2y is equal to 6. So here, now if we put any value of x in the given equation, then you will get the value of y. So if I put x is equal to 2, if I put x is equal to 2 in the LHS of, or in the equation, let it be in the equation, then we will get 2 plus 2y is equal to 6. Now transposing this 2 to RHS, you will get 2y is equal to 6 minus 2 implies 2y is equal to 4 implies y is equal to 2. 2 2s are 4. Now next thing, if I put x is equal to 0 in the given equation, then we will get 0 plus 2y is equal to 6. This implies 2y is equal to 6 implies transposing 2 to RHS, you will get y is equal to 6 upon 2, that is y is equal to 3. Now if I put y is equal to 0, if I put, you can put x 0 put कर सकते हैं, y 0 put कर सकते हैं, anything you can do. If I put y is equal to 0 in the equation, then I will get x plus 0 in x plus 2 into 0, x plus 2 into 0 is equal to 6. Implies 0 multiplied by any number is always 0. This implies x is equal to 6. Now put, next is put x is equal to minus 4. If you put x is equal to minus 4 in the equation, then we will get minus 4 plus 2 into y is equal to 6. Transposing this 4 to RHS, you will get 2y is equal to 6 plus 4, implies 2y is equal to 10. This implies y is equal to 10 upon 2, which is equal to 5. Therefore, we can write this 2 2 फिर 0 3 6 0 and minus 4 5 are the 4 solutions of the given equation. I think all are clear? Okay. Now we will take next example. Next example is check whether root 2 4 root 2 is the solution of x minus 2y is equal to 4. चेक करना है तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, पुट x is equal to root 2, y is equal to 4 root 2 in the LHS of the given equation. Put x is equal to root 2, y is equal to 4 root 2 in LHS of the given equation. So here your LHS is x minus 2y. Now put these values, you will get root 2 minus 2 into 4 root 2, which is equal to root 2 minus 8 root 2, which is equal to minus 7 root 2. But in RHS it is equal to 4 is given, so it is not equal to 4. This implies not equal to RHS. Therefore, we can say that since LHS is not equal to RHS, therefore root 2 4 root 2 is not a solution of the given equation. Now again we will take, I think all are clear. सबको ये समझ में आया होगा. Now next, again we will take some another point that satisfies the equation. So if I take check whether 4 0 is the solution of the given equation x minus 2y is equal to 4. So only I will change a point here. It is so the point is 4, 0. Check whether 4, 0 is the solution of the given equation of x minus 2y is equal to 4. Again the same step, put x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0 in the LHS of the given equation. So here LHS is x minus 2y, so we substitute it here, that is 4 minus 2 into 0, which is equal to 0 multiplied by any number is always 0, so 4 minus 0 which is equal to 4, and this is equal to RHS. And here since LHS is equal to RHS, since LHS is equal to RHS, therefore 4, 0 is the solution of the given equation. मुझे लग रहा है यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आया होगा. ये एक्सरसाइज बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट एक्सरसाइज है. इस एक्सरसाइज से हमेशा हर साल कम से कम 4 या 5 मार्क का क्वेश्चन तो आता ही आता है, इसलिए आपको करना ही है ये. और फाइंडिंग 4 डिफरेंट सॉल्यूशंस में आप लोगों को साइन का ध्यान रखना ज़रूरी है. अगर आपका साइन गलत हो गया तो आपके सॉल्यूशंस भी गलत हो जाएंगे, इसलिए टेक केयर ऑफ साइन. नाउ आई विल टेक another example, that if now here the next example is if x is equal to -1, y is equal to 2 is a solution of kx plus 3y equal to 7, then find the value of k. Now here x is equal to -1 and y is equal to 2 is a solution, means that values of x must satisfy the given equation. So our first step is put x is equal to -1 and y is equal to 2 in kx plus 3y is equal to 7. So here you will get k into -1 plus 3 into 2 equal to 7. This implies minus k plus 6 equal to 7. This implies minus k is equal to 7 minus 6 implies minus k equal to plus 1. Now multiplying, since we want to find out value of k, so we multiply both the sides of this by -1, then you will get k is equal to -1. Thus the value of k is, thus the required value of k is -1. Now again, after watching this video, we will meet on the Google Meet and we will solve exercise 4.2 in the classroom. Okay, thank you.